What's going on, everybody? It's your guy Lips. Check. This is not your typical video that I normally like to do with race car stuff. However, we are in my 2014 Jetta diesel sportwagen TDI six-speed manual, black on black and all that. Anyway, I was having this issue with my wow. Sorry, with my my blower motor not operating on any of the speeds but number 3, number 4. So 3, there's 2 right there, got nothing. You can actually look at the voltage there. My battery is actually a little low. I had the doors open for a while so you could see it dim. There you go. We're right there. So wow, the battery is getting kind of weak actually. So if you turn it all the way off, you can see nothing going on there. But obviously it's an aftermarket unit, so it's not super duper correct either. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna look down in here. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this here. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna look under here. My 2 plastic clips were pretty much already broken, so you're gonna take a screwdriver or you can take your thumb and unscrew that. All right, so once you get that guy out there, you can basically squeeze this down here, slide this down, just like so. While you're in here, you might as well change your cabin air filter, also from FCP Euro. To get this out, you're gonna clip tab like so, slide it on back. If you just operated yours like I just operated mine, it might be a little warm. But you can see it doesn't really look too bad, doesn't smell too bad, not like in the olden days, old Fords and Chevys. Like if you cooked one of these things, it smelled so bad. Anyway, it's a previous life of mine. So you're gonna squeeze 2 tabs on the side, you're gonna slide that out of there. I don't think I can do it with one hand. Oh, I did it. Yeah. Then I definitely can't put it back on. Oh no, which one's which? Nope, just kidding. All right, so you can take the new one just like so. I think I got this from FCP Euro for $20 or so, and it has lifetime warranty. So that means if it goes bad again, my car has about 150 something thousand miles on it. So if it goes bad again, if I keep this thing to 300,000 miles, then I might have to replace it again, but chances are it will not go bad again. But I have lifetime warranty from FCP Euro, so that is always good to know, always good to feel out. Shout out to FCP Euro because they are amazing. They offer amazing service. Take that, pop it back in just like so. Take that, slide it on in there, clipped. You probably shouldn't do it with the ignition on like I did, but I'm pretty clever. So like that, you can see already, just like that. Oh yeah, nice cold AC, or actually heat right now because it's cold outside. I don't know if there's really much point in showing this, but you can see. So it's on 0, 1, drops down a little bit, 2, drops down a little bit, 3, 4, and there you go. Just like that. While you're down here, might as well replace your cabin air filter also. Big shout out to FCP Euro for offering great parts, great prices, shipping times, and shipping prices. I don't know, I'm just saying. Maybe give you boys some of those codes and stuff. So either way, I don't have any discount codes or anything like that, but I like to shout out them and thank them for supporting racing and sponsoring racing and having almost like their own racetrack and sponsoring IMSA teams too. So with that said, SK out. 1.